Welcome to i3 International Tech Channel. This video tutorial will demonstrate i3's video editor. Video editor is a valuable tool because it offers a very time-efficient and automatic way of blurring faces in MP4 and AVI video clips. In cases where video is going to be publicly released or shared with parties other than law enforcement, frequently the privacy laws will require the faces of all those not directly involved in the incident to be blurred first. i3's video editor application lets you blur all or just some of the faces in your video clip in only a fraction of a time you would spend using third-party software. This process is especially convenient if you're using i3's Video Pilot client software to create your MP4 or AVI backup clip. Let's look at this together. Let's start by launching i3's Video Pilot client. I recommend that you download the latest Video Pilot client directly from our website. In order to take full advantage of video editor integration with Video Pilot client, you need to be using version 7. We have other clips to demonstrate how to perform backup on VPC quickly and efficiently, but for this video, I'm going to show you how to do it through our backup wizard. If you're using the PC version 7, it will automatically reconnect to your last server. Otherwise, just click or go to Control, and then you connect to any server that you wish to connect to. Then click on Backup. This is the backup wizard interface. Start by clicking Add Backup, select the channel, then proceed to Date and Time. We're going to create a really short video clip, so start by selecting the start time and date for your clip. Select the date in the calendar, then adjust the time or the start time. You can use your mouse and the up and down arrows, or you can just use your keyboard. This is the end time of your clip. I'm going to make it short. Now that I'm satisfied with the start and end time and date, let's proceed to the type. Video editor only works with MP4 and AVI video clips. Right now, I'm going to select MP4. Now let's proceed to destination. By default, all VPC backups are saved to C drive in the i3 backup folder. But you can change it by clicking this folder icon and selecting some other location on your PC. Once you're done configuring these 4 steps, click Add to List. So in this screen, you will have a chance to make changes or at least preview the clips that you've just created to make sure that you've captured the entire incident. If you're happy, click Close and click Start Backup. So as soon as the backup process is finished, select this clip again and let's click Video Editor icon right here. So now it opens the clip that we've just created in VPC inside the video editor software. Click on Face Blur and click Face Search. So what's happening now is that i3's artificial intelligence algorithm is analyzing every frame of this 17-second clip, and it finds all the objects that it believes to be human, depending on how sensitive this algorithm is configured. It may pick up a few objects that are not faces, and if we don't want them blurred, just use your mouse cursor to drag them into the Do Not Blur area. So let's grab another tile that doesn't look like a face, and let's drag it to the bottom. This is clearly a hand. Let's move that down. These objects will not be blurred. These are the faces that the system found. If you would like to keep one face on board, pick it from the list and drag it to the bottom. But for this example, I'm going to blur every face in the picture. You can preview the results by clicking play right here. If you find that the system, because of sensitivity settings, didn't pick up a person in the clip and you need their faces blurred, or even if you want to blur a custom area on the screen, such as a license plate or some other object that you wouldn't want others to see, draw a blur line area and create a shape on the screen. Now you can adjust the time when this blurred rectangle will appear on the screen. Here, let's back up a little and see what it looks like. Click play. So from about, let's say, 10 seconds, about 11 seconds, so this area will be on the screen so long as this gray bar is on. So if you want it to last longer, just extend it by dragging it with your mouse cursor. If you want to move it around, just click on it and move it around the screen. Click on the red X to get rid of it altogether. Once you're happy with the results, click Save As and save it anywhere in the PC. Use a name you'd like and click Save. Wait for the process to complete. It's now done. Let's go to the folder that all the clips are being saved to. And there's our clip, and that's what it looks like when it's finished. You'll notice that we've added this watermark here, edited by i3'VE, and the reason for it is that if the clip is to be used for law enforcement, the video should be raw and unadulterated. But these clips are invaluable for public relations and other circumstances where privacy is of great concern. Thank you for watching.